To fix the screen of HBO Max not displaying correctly, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, to fix the HBO Max screen not displaying correctly, firstly you just need to make sure that your device is connected to internet connection. So if your device is not connected to a faster or medium level of speed internet connection, then you won't be able to use the HBO Max and your screen may not be displaying on it. So make sure that you stronger Wi-Fi and any kind of mobile data. So if that is, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to simply close the HBO Max app and you just need to simply open it again and try to sign into your account again and check if the screen is displaying correctly or not. So if it is helping, then that's good. If that doesn't help, you just need to open settings on the device and click on the option general and open iPhone storage. So on the iPhone storage, you'll need to scroll down until you see the option of HBO Max. So click on the option of HBO Max and click on the option of offload app. So by offloading the app, it will help you to fix the common issue which you are getting on your app. So click on the option of reinstall app again and open the HBO Max app and try to sign in. And this time your display will this time your screen will be displayed correctly on the edge. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.